Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into the SQL Concat function. The SQL Concat function essentially adds two or more strings together. So what I'm going to do for my example here is I'm going to take first name and the last name column and I'm going to essentially add them together. So what I'm going to do first is add the Concat function, and then I'm going to add the first name column. And what I'm going to do is provide a space between the two values as well, so they're not joined up. So I've added the single quotes to represent the space, and then I'm going to add the last name, and then I'm going to put an alias for the new column of full name. So this should now return our concatenated values in one column. There we are. So as you can see, we've got our new concatenate values of Mary Smith, Barbara Jones, etc. and our new full name alias column. And yeah, this is very useful to do when you're looking to join two strings, and very easy to use as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.